Hey guys, it's Poochie and Elvis. We are at the compound, the home office, and there is something very exciting that just happened, Elvis. Yes, there is. Before we could even publish this unboxing video, one of the items sold and it paid for all of them. This is a Carhartt unboxing video. It's a mystery box from America's Thrift Supply. Let's check it out. Wait, I almost forgot. There's a NASCAR mystery box in here too. Okay.
Hi guys, I am Betsy with Poochie's Pickers and I am here to do another unboxing. We got this box from America Thrift Supply and I believe it's all Carhartt. So let's see what we got. So this is a really nice Carhartt jacket, size extra large. It has in really good shape too. Nice coat. And we got some Carhartt pants. These are 38-32. Nice. Very nice condition. Very good condition. And another pair of Carhartt pants. These are a 40-30. I'm seeing like no holes, no stains, no rips, has the buttons. Nice. This is a blue, kind of a windbreaker material. I didn't know they made that. That's cool. Size large. Oh, it's a scrub. That's like a scrub. Yeah. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like a scrub. Okay. And the pants that would match that. These would be scrub pants. Yes, scrub pants. Yep. Those are nice. I mean, those are nice. And then we got a sweatshirt, orange and black, and it's like the it's like that polar fleece that's really soft. Stewart 20. Oh, it's a racing one. I can't read upside down. I just did. It took a minute. This is not, how is this Carhartt? Maybe we didn't get a whole Carhartt box. It's Chase Athletics. I don't know. I mean, it's a nice sweatshirt. Wait a minute. There's two in one. So this is a Carhartt mystery box and a NASCAR racing. So that would be the we're on to the second part of this box. So we have got a mystery NASCAR racing unboxing from American Thrift. So there was that, and then this one is Dale Earnhardt sweatshirt. I mean, that's a nice heavy sweatshirt right there. That's really nice. And this one is Daytona 500. It's like a kid's t-shirt. And this one is, who are you? You are Dale Earnhardt and Junior. Senior, Junior, right there. I mean, that's a nice shirt. Winner circle tag. This one. Ooh, look at the back of that. NASCAR 2004. My dogs are outside. They can be out there for a minute. This one is Denny Hamlin. FedEx Must drive the FedEx car. Oh, that's a nice shirt. This one is, man, look at the back of that. Whew. Outlaw. 25th anniversary Thunder Tour since 1997. Man, that's nice. Look at that. That looks like a brand new shirt. The graphics on that, that's really nice. This one, there's the back. Howard Moore Racing. Nice. Nice. Oh God, my poor phone is falling. Hold on. Okay. We're almost done. We're almost done. Don't fall, phone. Okay. This one is lap 3. Forever, Dale Earnhardt, the man. That's a nice shirt. Look at that. It's probably like the memorial shirt, right? Nice. And the last one in this box. Oh my God, this is, I was gonna say it looks brand new. Still has a tag on it. It is a Coca-Cola Dale Earnhardt. New with the tag. Nice shirt, huh? So, auto racing, NASCAR shirts, and Carhartt in this box that came from America's Thrift. Make sure you subscribe to all of our channels, Poochie's Pickers, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, let's see what we listed everything for. This we listed for $69.99 and it sold within 48 hours. Paid for the whole bunch. We got some jeans. These are 100% profit, $24.99. These are $37.99. We also got scrubs. I have never seen Carhartt scrubs. $37.99 for these and $27.99 for these. Now on the NASCAR mystery box, we got the Tony Stewart at $29.99. The vintage Dale Earnhardt Senior, $39.99. This one, $17.99, Daytona 500. This one, Senior and Junior, $34.99. This one, $29.99. I think this is a Hamlin FedEx driver, $24.99. Sprint cars, $24.99. Lap 3, Dale Earnhardt, the man. And this one, Coca-Cola Vintage Dale Earnhardt with the tag. And Herman Moore. So you see what we paid, $99.98 total. We're all in at $99.98. Now, if we sell all the items at the prices that we have, we will make $631.85. But you have fees, etc. Let's be a devil's advocate and take off a lot for fees, discounts, etc. This is after 40%. This, after what we paid, is our actual take-home net profit. Not bad. That's how you do it, Elvis. That's right. That's how you do it. So the rest of that entire mystery box is all profit. Because within 48 hours before we could even post this video, we sold the big item. So everything else is just gravy. So that is how you do it. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, buy low, sell high. Subscribe.